Hello everybody, welcome back to our REALME channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Bluetooth not connecting on your REALME C63. So first, toggle Bluetooth on and then turn it off. Now wait a couple of seconds until you turn it back on. So give it like 5 seconds. I think 5 seconds just passed. So let's click it, click more. And now, as you guys can see, what we can do about it is we can unpair the device that is not connecting to our phone, and then we can repair it. So it should work, but if it did not work, then what you guys can try is restart the phone and the Bluetooth device too. So hold the power button and the volume up button. Now swipe up to restart and let go of your finger. As you guys can see, now the phone is restarting. So I'll see you guys once the phone is restarted. So now after the restart, what you guys can do is check your software update. So basically, if you have a software update available, so go over to About Phone in the settings, it's almost at the bottom, and click on REALME UI. Now here, if it says that your version is up to date, then that's great, but if not, then you need to update your version as fast as possible, because it could be one of the glitches with the connectivity. So update your software and let me know in the comments if any of those steps helped you. That'd be it. I hope this video helped you, and leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.